Here we go again, another mechanical keyboard meetup, this time for 2023. As you all know, 2022 was an incredibly productive year for me. I released a grand total of 2 videos since the last time we've done this, but I'm back again with a quickie to show off some of the amazing builds. So here we go. Pack the bags, hop in the car, and try to get to downtown Toronto without causing a 17-car pileup. To start this one off, we are going to be reviewing the top 5 booties. At number 5, we have the Horsey prototype, which I like because it resembles Kilala from Inuyasha doing a kickflip. At number 4, we have the Crane 80, looking scrumptious. At number 3, we have this customized Promise 87 with this insane engraving on the back. At number 2, we have the Bongo Neko, which is a brass weight covered with this beautiful, beautiful carbon fiber cover. And to top those previous 4, you know number 1 is going to be an all-time banger, the Copium, which not only has an amazing booty, but also a fun little Easter egg on the inside. Next up, I'd like to show off one of the boards that I thought was one of the coolest at the meetup. This is the System 65. I spoke briefly with Mosaic, the designer, and while these are just protos right now, an in-stock release is planned for the second half of 2023. The accent pieces on the front of these cases are just, without a doubt, unique and striking. I think I'm gonna have to get one of these. I don't plan to ramble throughout this whole video, but I just wanted to show off a couple things that I thought were really cool. So I'm gonna let you folks listen to some tunes here and check out the rest of the builds. If you're at any stage of the hobby, I strongly encourage you to check out any meetups in your area. It's a ton of fun, but without further ado, peace out.
To do